Hello everybody, I am Adele from VMD Italia, and I'm here today because I have selected for you a set of products that I like to call back to school products. So one of the first product I want to present is 149 Hand Hygienizer. So absolutely necessary, of course, during this period of time for your children. You just put it in their backpack and they take it with them at school. Another product is our VMD146 Fabric Hygienizer. This is a very interesting product, very necessary, especially when your children come back from school and before putting away their school suits or their clothing or their backpack, you just spray it on it and you have the fabric completely hygienized. This is our VMD90, which is our shoes and helmet hygienizer. So we love our children, but how many times their shoes have a terrible smell? So this product helps to eliminate all those bad odors that are created inside the shoes. And not only, but it's necessary for hygienizing the helmets for who uses them for the bicycles or for their motorbikes. This is VMD92, and this is a brilliant product that I self-discovered coming to work for this company. It's a chewing gum remover. So how many times have we found chewing gum under our shoes or in our car or on our fabrics, on our clothing, under the school desks? So we have solved this problem with this product. This is our VMD46 label remover, and I personally love this product because I use it in my child's bedroom to remove those sometimes ugly stickers that are on the closet. It's very simple and easy to use. This product is our VMD133 Magnetic Blackboard. This special spray paint is very unique, and I like to call it also very fun product. It can be applied on all types of hard surfaces such as walls, wood or metal. You spray 2 hands of this product and you have a magnetic blackboard. And not only you can write on it and then cancel what you have written, but it's also useful to hang magnetic objects on it. So free your imagination and your creativity with this fun and very exciting product. VMD thinks a lot about security and has formulated this product, which is our VMD130 reflective paint. This helps to make visible all types of objects in the dark. So please check out the link in this post so you will find out all the applications used with this product. So this is the last product of this video, and it's probably one of the most important. It's our VMD89 Isopropyl alcohol, and I want to remark that this product is completely 100% isopropyl alcohol. So this product is absolutely useful and necessary to hygienize all kinds of surfaces such as cell phones, tablets, computers, tables, well, everything you need to hygienize during the whole day. So I invite you to try these products that I have selected for you, and please let us know which ones you like most. And again, I invite you to check out our website and follow us on our social medias.